Hello guys, good morning. It is Sunday morning. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, don't mind that clock over there. It is not correct, okay? Happy Sunday to you all. If you are seeing my face for the first time, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking in again. My name is Violet. I'm a YouTuber based in Imo State. So guys, in this video, Imo State, Nigeria, for those that don't know, Imo State is in Nigeria. So guys, today is Sunday, last Sunday of the month of May, and it is my second time going to church this year. Guys, God. Whew. The first time I went to church this year was in February, and this is May, the 5th month of the year, and it is my second time going to church, and this is the last Sunday of the month. Guys, I have a reason. I didn't just do that. I have a very, in short, there is no reason that is enough to exclude yourself from the house of God. But that doesn't mean I don't pray or worship my God at home. I do all that, but I haven't. The only difference is that I have not gone to a Christian gathering, to pray and worship God together with my fellow Christians, So guys, today I'll be doing that. I'll be going to church. Moreover, I am an Anglican member. Anglican church, that is the church I'll be attending today. I'm a born Anglican girl. So this video is going to be all about get ready with me to church. So guys, I had to wake up early because chance is also one reason. I'm that kind of person that don't like going to church very late. Immediately the time has passed, like the time for church has passed, like 1 hour late or so, oh God, I will lose the courage of going to church. So guys, that is why I woke up early to do the things that I need to do this morning. I have swept, mopped the floor, cleaned the things that I'm supposed to clean. What is remaining is just for me to wash my clothes. Maybe when I'm back, I will do that. These duties are what I'm supposed to do on Saturdays, but I'm not chanced. I go to work from Monday to Saturday, so that is why I use Sundays. Okay, I don't also go to work on Monday, but I use that Monday to rest. I don't like doing anything on that day. I just rest. If there's anywhere I want to go to, I will just go. Because here in Imo State, especially this part of Imo State, Mondays are for lockdown. That is why I don't go to work on the Monday. So guys, I'm so happy that finally I'm going to thank God for keeping I and my family alive. I've been doing that, but in a different setting, okay? In a setting where you have other Christian members praying, you join them to pray, and also you'll be dancing, when they will play, beating the band with so much melodious songs, you'll be motivated to dance and glorify God. So that is one thing I have missed. Dancing and praising God, I have so missed that. I do that at home, but it is very, very nice when you do it in a gathering of people, So I'll be getting ready. I'll go now to take my bath, then come back and dress up. But before then, let me bring out the clothes I'm going to wear and the shoes I'm going to wear. So that is what I'll be doing. So see you guys. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, because most of my viewers haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know why. What are you guys waiting for? It doesn't cost anything. Please subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please guys, encourage me, okay? Encourage me in this YouTube thing. Encourage me. It is only your engagement that will give me the motivation to do more on this YouTube channel, to give me the motivation to create more videos and upload it. Guys, data is costly in Nigeria. It is not easy to upload a video. Data is so costly in Nigeria, so please just give me that courage, and I'll always remain grateful to you all. The ones that have already subscribed, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, please, after seeing this cute face, why not subscribe? Don't want to see this face all the time. Please subscribe, okay? So see you guys. Let me go get prepared to go praise and thank Jehovah. See you guys later. Hello guys, I'm back again. So guys, I ended up not going to church. After all my plans, after all the zeal, I ended up not going, but I'll let you guys know the reason why. First of all, let me finish eating and also come and join me as I'm eating this rice. And this is my bro. As you can see, he's enjoying my well-prepared jollof Sunday rice. Sunday jollof rice. So guys, let's eat together. This is actually a very low budget Sunday rice. Rice without meat, no fish, just like that. But it's still okay. It's still toasty. That's my baby bro over there. Hello guys, so I'm done eating, and I'll tell you guys the reason I couldn't go to church again. So guys, as I told you guys, I took my baths, wore my dress, and brought out my shoe. Guys, immediately I put my leg in that shoe, it just got spoiled. The shoe just got spoiled. That is why I couldn't go, because I don't have another one, and I can't wear slippers with the clothes I'm about to wear. I can't wear slippers with it, so I got angry and removed my clothes. I really want to go to church today being the last Sunday of the month, at least, to go dance and jubilate and also pray to God, but it didn't go as planned. So I won't kill myself, I won't beat up myself, so I just accepted it. So guys, so after that, I just pull off my dress, drop my bag, forgot about everything concerning going to church. So what I did is that I wanted to cook, so I went to the kitchen and started preparing rice. I made jollof rice, which is the one you saw me eating with my brother. So now that I'm done eating, I have some clothes to wash. The clothes I wore during the week, which is last week, that is what I want to wash. So guys, I just want to take you guys along my day, a Sunday in my life. If you haven't subscribed, please do it to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, give me a thumbs up, okay? So guys, this is the clothes I want to wash. This is all I wore for the week. So guys, I've already added detergent to this water. So this is the soap I'll be adding to it, so it's going to foam very well, or it's going to latter very well. So let's get started. You are highly lifted up, awesome God, awesome God. You are highly lifted up, mighty God. Lord, I give you praise. Awesome God. You are highly lifted up, mighty God. Lord, I give you praise. Come and say hi to my viewers. Come and let them see your face.
Hi.
That's my baby bro. That's my baby brother. He's saying hi to you all. If you guys don't know, that guy is over there is in the channel. That guy has money. Don't worry. I'll make a video showing you guys what he does for a living, so that you will know that I'm saying the truth about him having more money than I do. So guys, watch out for that video, okay? So guys, finally I'm done with the laundry. I'm so free now. So I'll be going inside to take a rest. I'm going to rest because I need to rest. Okay, so this is all the clothes. I'll just spread them. These are the clothes. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. From a failed Sunday church to cooking, from cooking to eating to doing my laundry, and finally I am done. Thank you so much for coming this far with me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please, what are you waiting for? Please and please do it to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah, that is also important. Please encourage me in the comment section, and give me a thumbs up. Most importantly, subscribe. Please guys, subscribe. Get me to 1000 subscribers before the end of June. I pray before the end of June I should get to 1000 subscribers. That is my goal. Please guys, help me achieve this goal, okay, by subscribing and watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.